AmpCon-DC supports Ansible Playbooks to customize your network automation. Ansible Playbooks can offer a repeatable, reusable, and simple approach to configuration management and multi-machine deployment. You can add capabilities and automate workflows by running Ansible Playbooks with AmpCon-DC. In this video, we will show you how to create and run playbooks, how to manage Ansible jobs, and how to view Playbooks scheduling on AmpCon-DC. On the Playbooks page, we can add or import a playbook. We will show you how to add a playbook at first. After clicking Playbook, enter the playbook name and description, and add contents to the YML file. You can also click Import to upload the playbook zip file, and enter the playbook name and description. After adding or importing a playbook, you can select Target Playbook YML file and target switches or groups to run the playbook according to your schedule. On the Ansible Jobs List page, you can check the list of Ansible jobs and the list of switches with Ansible jobs. In the Job View tab, you can view the list of playbook execution jobs and Ansible job results and output. In the Switch View tab, you can see the list of switches that have playbook execution jobs and check detailed result and output information. On the Schedule page, you can view executed playbooks based on months, weeks, or days. You can also view executed playbooks in the list format. You can visit fs.com to get more information about Ansible Playbooks and AmpCon-DC management platform.